recording.
Hello, we are here on the inside of my all-wheel drive 2023 Mercedes Sprinter 170 wheelbase. I am planning on doing the first stage of the build, which is installing 4 items. The first item in this bay here, I think it's called bay 7, is going to be an Arctic Tern skylight, operable, openable, rain sensor. There's going to be a Vanspeed capsule here and a Vanspeed capsule over here. The idea with the capsules is it would allow my fixed bed platform to allow me to sleep east-west. And if you can sleep east-west, you save about 2 feet of living space from sleeping north-south. If you're going to sleep north-south, you get the Mercedes extended version. But with the extended version comes the extra length. I mean, this is already a big van. So with the extended version, it really negates the ability to maneuver in the cities. The 170 is the sweet spot for me. 144, it's a little short, a little tight, but with the 170, I got 14 feet of living space. But with the Sprinters, because they're a little skinny, unlike the ProMasters, but you bump out here, so I gain an extra roughly 10 inches. And the other beauty of the capsules is that they come with the 10 by 33 oval windows. This one is going to be an awning window, openable, with the bug screen and the blackout shades, which is a magnet blackout shade. And over here is going to be a slider. And the reason why one's the awning and one's the slider is because with the sliding door here, if you had a window that opened on an awning, the slider would come out and crack it. And that's what you don't want to have happen, because even if you think about it, it's like you don't want to have that instance even possible. So anyway, so those are the 3 items here. I'm going to come a little closer to you, and right here is going to be a Maxxair Fan. The Maxxair Fan is really important for many reasons. With the ability to either blow air in or suck air out, with the Arctic Tern skylight and with the 2 windows, I can create a nice circular air pattern both ways. There's passive air coming in or out with the windows, but with this motorized fan, I have a very active circulatory system. Now that's for many reasons. One is, of course, you want to get all of the moisture out of your van. Just as, you're living in a space, moisture is the enemy. You don't want to encourage mold. You don't want to live in a moist environment. You also want to continually replace your oxygen. When we sleep or when we talk or when we just live, we breathe out carbon dioxide. We need to replace that carbon dioxide with oxygen, and the best way to do that is with a circulatory system. The other aspect is I will be cooking. My galley will be round about here. I'll have 2 galleys actually, 2 countertops. So I'll be cooking here. So again, all of the cooking smells, the cooking moisture from the induction burner, etc., will all get sucked out. And the third thing is that right here is going to be my hidden shower and bench with the toilet. So another good reason to have the circulatory system working, to get the moisture from the shower and the smells from the toilet. So that is the plan for this week. We've got a beautiful week of actually fall-like weather here in New England. So I'm very excited to actually get going with it and start doing the surgery. So thanks very much.